So that, I knew that was going to be a problem, like especially with managers, like right out the gate. You know, it's like, no, I want my sellers selling. Like I want my customer success people talking to customers, right? I want my technicians, you know, doing what they're supposed to do. And so, you know, I didn't want to hit that up front. And so actually the example is when I rolled out Udemy, there was a good 6 months of talking to leaders and managers and really figuring out like, what are you trying to solve? Like, where are you at? How do you even view training? Like some managers are like, I'm for it, and some were like, you know, and so you had to kind of gauge that. But we built it into, so we do quarterly reviews, and we have managed objectives that we reset and monitor every quarter. And we've set it as a company policy that every employee across whatever goals they set, at least one has to be around personal development. And it doesn't even have to be related to your job. Like, I want to go learn to knit, like, and whatever it is that they want to do. And we worked with the executive staff to segment a specific amount of time. So every employee within our organization gets 20 hours a quarter towards one of those goals. And more often than not, it is Udemy content. Or they'll come to us and they'll say, hey, I have this idea, this thing that I want to learn. It might be as simple as us giving them an ebook, or you know, maybe more people have asked about it, so then we do like a lunch and learn around it. But that kind of goes back to that whole consultancy part.